Oh, it's fresh this morning. Back up over Gilwern Hill with Elliot. We came up here day before yesterday. Did a recce walk. Not so much on the running side, but Elliot's up here on his mountain bike. So he wanted to know whether he could cycle it. So that's what we're doing. I'm out for my back-to-back easy run, and Elliot shot up on the distance summit on his mountain bike. So, although I think he's underestimated his capabilities because he didn't think he'd be that fast. But knowing the speed I run at, I knew he'd be off in front of me, no problem at all, which is fine. So the unofficial challenge is, yes, I'm going to lose, of course. Anyway, let's get on with this. Nearly already down to, we will leave the tarmac, head round both the quarries, round Gilwern Hill, and back to the start point down here. Let's get on with it. Oh, bloody hell, it's cold. I don't think so much the temperature as the wind chill. Morning. Oh, stunning. We've got the orange. Come round to the skirrid. And Sugarloaf straight in front. Oh, but bloody hell, it's cold. It's Pwll quarry, the original quarry. That's one advantage of this valley. We've got so many of these old tram roads left over from the coal and iron industry. Great for cycling and running, walking in general. This tram road used to drop all the way down to the Moms and Brecon Canal. Why run on the roads when you can run on this? This to me is the appeal of trail running. Look at this. And to think, the start of the year, all I had in mind was fast packing and hiking again. Coming up on the next quarry. It's in the distance there. Go round to the left, back down to the right. Unfortunately, we're nearly back to the road. It comes up the other side, albeit a closed road. Not quite sure where Elliot is. He certainly flew off. Be interesting to see if he gets down the far end onto the road, because that concerned him earlier on the other day. It's pretty steep and narrow. Well, I did point out to him in my youth, I actually rode down it. Second quarry. Not a very big one, this one, compared to the original. round the corner, downhill, back onto the road. Not quite sure what Elliot is, mind. These are the bits Elliot was worried about. But no sign of him, so hopefully he got to the bottom all right. Morning, sheep. Well, this was a questionable bit for Elliot, and there's no sign of him. Mind you, a bit questionable for me running down it. Long uphill slog now. There's a bit of a... I saw the council put in earlier this year. This road here drops off seriously and it's slowly disappearing, crumbling away. So I suppose they did it in public interest. Stop people getting hurt, or worse. I think it's also to stop the joyriders, because there's a lot of burnt out cars down there. Still leaves enough room to walk. Although we did think it's a bit narrow for mountain biking. But it's in public interest, so mind you, a bit narrow in places to run it all. Oh, you're Elliot up here. You got down those bits all right then? Long uphill slog now. Here he is. The boy on the bike. Seem to have left Elliot behind. He's pushing it up the hill. I ran up the hill. So I'll walk for a bit, give him a chance to catch up, so he should be able to get on again soon. I'll have a chow while we're waiting. Chop down. Nearly there, probably about 2k to go. A bit more than the easy run distance. It's supposed to be 6.5 today. This is more like 7.9 or something. It was the other day when we did it. So, pop a gel now and run the last couple of k. Okay, final 1.6 kilometres or something. But I've got to get back up to the top of that hill. So it's pretty much all uphill now. Nearly done. Elliot's a long way behind though. horses. Well, Welsh wild horses, as wild as they can be, I suppose, if they are wild. Right, final push. Less than a kilometre to go, albeit still uphill. It's the joys of living in Wales, I suppose. Oh, bloody hills. But, as I said yesterday, I'm going to miss these hills when we get back to Abu Dhabi, because they're brilliant for training. Definitely will be investing in a treadmill with an incline on it. Ah, the van is inside. We came out today in Yellow Van Man's van because it was easier with his mountain bike, which I'm not quite sure where he is. He's nowhere to be seen behind me. Have I got the unofficial mountain bike trail running challenge in the back? Fair play, he's had a really good effort at it, but I think the hills might have beaten him. Not bad, since he doesn't ride hardly ever, but I believe he wants to do more. Right, that's it then. Just about across the road back into the car park. Just a case of waiting for Elliot then. Might actually want to walk out around the pond just to keep warm. See if it's anything to do with photographing. We'll see now. Because it's a bit of wind up here. I'm going to get cold really quick. Unless I get cold. Right, that's it. Looks like I won the challenge. Job done.